Level 1.
Level 1. This one's Aaron.
This one's Francis. It's week 4, the final week.
The final week. We did a lot of fun things, but here's one of them. We did a little
Shoot, shakira,
and then a
whoop,
whoop,
wee,
and then we
change
sent that
places.
whoop,
Turn and catch.
and then we did a and everything we did came back to that little including our whoop,
Whoop, wee, shoot, shakira, shakira, in, out, around, and whoop,
whoop,
wee, and ooh, You can keep dancing.
You can keep
Good.
dancing. I keep stopping and talking.
We reviewed the Frankie Sixes. We did a break and shake. You could do a lot of different 6-count moves. 4 of them in a break is good combo.
A lovely time.
Listen to the music. You might hear a different song that has a different pattern, and you'll find other good things that go along with that.
But there'll always be a place for a little You made it to the end. Enjoy your pin. Nice.